Pilipinas International 2024!
Tonight, we will now welcome the newest batch to join the ranks of our elite Bini Queens. Araneta, who do you think will continue the Bini Filipinas legacy tonight? Well, you got your bets and the results are in. Here with us is Mr. Narciso Chultores Jr., partner of SGV and Company. Maraming salamat po, sir.
Let's begin by announcing the second runner-up.
Second runner-up, no tinatawag.
She is none other than Bini 30! From Villa Laguna, Trisha Martinez.
From Laguna, number 30, second runner-up.
2024 second runner-up is Bini Filipinas 2023 second runner-up.
From Villa Laguna,
Ray Panani.
Nagalagaw na yung second runner-up, mga idol.
Congratulations, Bini Trisha. Now we move on to the first runner-up. This year's first runner-up is...
Go to first runner-up.
Bini 10!
Number 10. Zambales, first runner-up. From Zambales, first runner-up.
Congratulations to our runners-up, and now it is time to crown our new queens with new crowns by Manny Halasan and his associates, Rafael Oliver Abanyo Jr., and Lani Elena Bate.
First up, we have the prestigious title of Bini Filipinas Globe 2024. And the Bini Filipinas Globe 2024 is... Bini 21,
Oh, congratulations, Pampanga! Pampanga nanalo, guys! Taga Pampanga nanalo! Congratulations sa Pampanga! Taga Pampanga nanalo, guys. Taga Pampanga. Hindi pa yan. Ha? Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? palayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to crown our Bini Bini Pilipinas International 2024. And Bini Bini Pilipinas International 2024.
Shout out. Naka-live. Sabi mo na. Congratulations, Abra! Yes, Abra! Congratulations! Inuwi talaga niyo ang corona sa bayan niyo ng Abra. Congratulations! Wala tayong taga-ano nito, taga-Abra. Mga supporter ng Abra, nagwala na.
Years ago, it's the 60th year this year. We crowned our first queen. Her name was Mirna Vanilla. And this year, in 2024, 60 years later, would you believe that we have just crowned another Bini Bini Pilipinas queen, and her name
Congratulations, our new Bini Bini queens, who will surely carry the sash in the Philippines with pride and honor. This has been a great evening. I'm Ruth.
Sabi na nood para Abra, congratulations daw!
Thank you to all our Bilipinis and queens, to all our designers, our stylists, to all of you, our comadres, our Bilibini friends, and our
Miss,
supporters.
ano?
And also, we want to extend our heartfelt thanks to our director, D. Johnny